Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft connection lost problem. It's easy if you want to fix it. First click here and then type control panel, and after that once you're here, view by, make it small icons, and then network and sharing center. And once you're here, the first one you will find here access type, internet and connections. Click on it. Internet or Wi-Fi, here it doesn't matter, just click on it and then click properties. And after that click protocol, internet version 4, click properties, and here just copy my settings, select second one here and copy those numbers. And after that all you have to do just just click OK and close it. And now just go back and restart your PC, and after restarting your PC your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.